Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you plus 20 of the best Amazon Prime bag deals that are plus 50% off. Please don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell notification so that you stay updated with our new uploads. Let's start with this Rockland Vision Hardside spinner wheel luggage, now just $139 with a 71% discount. Available in pink multicolor, purple pearl, and more. Lightweight, durable ABS material with multi-directional spinner wheels. Next, we have this Mossio Shoe Bag, priced at $22, available in colors like beige, blue flower, and pink leopard. Durable, water-resistant polyester with SBS zippers. Holds up to 3 pairs of shoes. Moving to this Pack-All TSA-approved cable luggage locks are now just $12 with a 50% discount. Available in blue and 4 other colors. Resettable 3-dial combination, TSA approved, and made from durable zinc alloy. Again, we have this OlarHike 4-set compression packing cubes for suitcases, now just $13 with a 53% discount. Available in cyan and 9 other colors. These durable, tear-resistant nylon cubes save up to 50% more space with compression zippers. 5 HT bag on our list is this DIMJ Compression Packing Cubes, now just $13 with a 50% discount. Available in black and white plus 4 other colors. These cubes save up to 50% of space with a durable double zipper system, perfect for organized travel. Next, the school backpack set with lunch bag for girls, priced at $35 and available in avocado and 18 other colors. This 3-in-1 set includes a durable waterproof polyester backpack, an insulated lunch bag, and a pencil bag, perfect for girls aged 8+. Next up, the Kipling Women's City Pack Backpack, now just $59 with a 50% discount. Available in blue and 2 other colors. This lightweight, water-resistant backpack features adjustable straps, multiple compartments, and a 16-liter capacity, perfect for travel, college, or daily use. Again, the Clear Crossbody Bag with adjustable shoulder strap is priced at $16 and available in pink plus 7 other colors. This stadium-approved bag features 3 compartments, durable 0.4 mm waterproof PVC material, and an adjustable nylon strap for versatile wear. Perfect for concerts, travel, and daily use. The 9th bag on our list is this LEAGERA Compact Travel Umbrella with case, now just $9 with a 50% discount. Available in light blue and 28 other colors, this lightweight, 5.9-inch umbrella features sturdy fiberglass ribs, a convenient button closure, and a compact design that fits easily in your purse or pocket. Moving to this Rockland double-handle rolling backpack, now just $25 with a 69% discount. In a stylish bandana color, this 17x10x 13-inch backpack features double wheels, a front organizer pocket, side mesh pockets, and padded shoulder straps, perfect for ages 5 and up. Again, we have also this waterproof men's anti-theft bang sling bag, just $19 with a 50% discount in black. Lightweight waterproof carbon fiber with a hidden USB port, adjustable strap, and secure code lock. Next, this soccer ball elementary school book bag is priced at $33. Available in football burning and 34 other designs. This durable ergonomic backpack features large capacity, reflective strips for safety, and multiple pockets for organization. Next up, this book bag set with lunch bag and pencil case, priced at $37. Available in cactus and 16 other colors. This 3-in-1 set includes a durable backpack, insulated lunch bag, and pencil case. Ideal for girls ages 8 and up. Again, the Wooma to Travel duffel bag is now just $17 with a 57% discount. Available in beige and black, this 2-piece set includes a large duffel and a toiletry bag. Features a shoe compartment, wet-dry separation, and carry-on compatibility. ideal for travel, gym, or weekend getaways. Next up, the Charm accessory for bog bags, now just $2 with a 57% discount. Available in many styles, this vibrant daisy charm is lightweight, easy to clip on, and adds a unique touch to your tote bag. Again, we have this travel bag for women, priced at $34 and available in pink plus 4 other colors. This multifunctional gym bag features a USB interface, dry-wet separated compartments, a foldable shoe compartment with ventilation, and adjustable, detachable straps, ideal for travel, gym, and everyday use. Moving to this holographic fanny pack and sun visor set, now just $7 with a 50% discount. Featuring a stylish holographic PU leather design, this set includes a sun visor with a wide brim and a waterproof fanny pack. Perfect for sports, travel, and outdoor activities. Another mesh that I love is this Makuka Mesh Beach Tote Bag for women, now just $9 with a 50% discount. Available in orange, blue, and black, this 30L tote features a waterproof, lightweight design, sand-resistant mesh, and multiple pockets. Ideal for beach trips, travel, and everyday use. Again, we came up with this waterproof small sports gym bag for women, just $13 with a 50% discount. Available in pink and black, this compact bag features a spacious main compartment, multiple pockets, and a waterproof wet pocket. Ideal for gym, sports, and travel. Finally, we have this kids' toddler backpack for preschool at $22. This lightweight, durable bag features a fun softball design and ample space for essentials. Ideal for school, sports, and daily use. Well, that is for today's video, a roundup of the Pleasant 20 Amazon Prime Top bag deals that are plus 50% off that you must go on today. Whether you prioritize durability, style, luxury, or functionality, there's something here for everyone. Check the description for links to each product and happy shopping.